Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, Pisces, let's see. Second half ng December. What's coming? What's up? Overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, and blessing. Wow, okay. Maraming changes for you, Pisces. Mas nagiging malakas ka, mas nagiging risk taker ka ngayong second half ng December. I also see you coming out of your shell. Yung tipong umaalis ka sa comfort zone mo because you are stepping into your own power, kumbaga, okay? So this is your overall energy, the Magician. This is you tapping to your talents, your skill set. So maaring, kasi you are very creative, no? Marami kang talento. You are someone na for some of you, no, Pisces, kung mapapansin ninyo, parang hindi kayo ganun kakomportable na nagtatrabaho para sa ibang tao, na pwedeng nagsastruggle kayo dyan because you are creative. You are someone who can, live, kaya mong mabuhay na ikaw yung nagsusuporta sa sarili mo, na hindi mo kailangan magtrabaho para sa ibang tao. Someone who is self-employed. And I think you're stepping into your power ngayong second half ng December. Marami kang nare-realize about your talents, your skills, your capabilities, and even your manifestation skills are also on point. Okay? What is the Magician? You have the Three of Swords. I think you've been through a lot. Nagkaroon ka ng mga disappointments, rejections. I think kaya nangyayari yan is because it is a redirection para sa'yo. Diba? Sabi nga nila, rejection is a redirection. Okay? Dahil meron kang ibang kailangang i-pursue na kung saan ma-showcase mo yung iyong talents, yung skill set mo. Okay? And yung iba kasi pwedeng may confusion when it comes to your purpose, no? Iniisip mo, ano kaya yung life's purpose ko? Ano kaya yung destiny ko? So, you just have to follow your gut. You have to follow your instinct, your intuition, because yan yung magli-lead sa'yo to success. Yan yung magli-lead sa'yo for growth and also transformation. So, your challenge is the Five of Cups. Maaring meron kang ili-let go na situation ngayon. Mga decision mo na akala mo will be better for you, pero na-realize mo na hindi pala, no? You have the Six of Cups. So, I think this is your energy from the past na minsan kasi we still hold on to the past. Especially yung mga mistakes natin, mga wrong decisions natin na naisip natin, naku, kung sana pala hindi ko ginawa, kung sana pala ganito yung ginawa ko. Kaya lang, tapos na yun eh. What we have right now is the present moment. So, focus on the present. Ano yung pwede mong magawa para maayos mo yung buhay mo ngayon kesa sa iniisip mo yung mga naging pagkakamali mo sa past. As long as ano ka na doon, kumbaga natuto ka na. Oo. As long as natuto ka na, that's it. Charge to experience, and then next adventure. Oo. So talking about next adventure, this is your opportunity, the Three of Wands. This is exploration, this is expansion. So maaring nag-expand yung knowledge mo, yung skills mo, or mas marami nag-open na opportunities para sa'yo, sa career, sa business. And yung iba, you are considering to work abroad, travel abroad, or relocate, no? Yung iba sa inyo may relocation ng bahay, ng trabaho, ng tinitirahan. And with the Four of Wands, I feel like dito kayo makakahanap ng stability. Kumbaga mas masisettle kayo, magsisettle kayo. So, halimbawa, meron kayong previous career or job na parang hindi na kayo komportable, hindi na fulfilling, and then you you decided na lumipat or mag-try ng ibang trabaho, career, or business. And sa nakikita ko rito, ito na yung opportunity mo to prove to yourself that you can make change. No? Kaya mong palang baguhin yung buhay mo. And I think you will stay here for quite a while. Magsistay ka sa trabaho na yan, sa business na yan, dahil dyan ka mas mag-grow. And then speaking of growth, your blessing is judgment, which is transformation. So this is reinvention. It's like a brand new you, Pisces. You have the 8 of Wands. So, magiging mabilis ang change para sa'yo bago matapos ang taon. Marami kang realizations, messages, insights na marireceive, and you will realize na, ito palang nangyayari sa akin ay isang transition para sa isang malaking pagbabago. Whether this is about your physical change, your career change, or yung tinitirahan mo, whatever this is a major change for you na i-reinvent yung sarili mo. It's like a brand new you. You have soulmates. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are dealing with a person na soulmate mo, nagkakasundo kayo. This can also mean like friends or family na talagang nandyan para sa'yo to support you. Building blocks. You are definitely building a strong foundation. Let's say for example, gusto mong magkaroon ng magandang negosyo, matatag na negosyo. So magsisimula ka sa pag-aaral ng negosyo na yan. Aaralin mo yung pasikot-sikot, and syempre along the way, may mga experiences ka na tuturuan ka ng lesson. Okay? And that will make you stronger. That will strengthen your foundation. You have orphaned. So I feel like some of you, maaring maramdaman nyo na may mga nakakalungkot na sitwasyon sa inyo dahil may mga bagay na kailangan yung gawin mag-isa. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, we tend to rely on others na kasi si ganito, kaya naman yung gawin yan para sa akin. But there are times na kailangan mo talagang manindigan para sa sarili mo at hindi umasa sa iba kasi doon ka mas matututo. Okay? Let's see what else. Money, career, finances. Workstation. So, maaring meron kang aayusin sa trabaho mo or magsiset up ka ng workplace or workspace sa bahay. Like a small corner na nandun yung table mo, computer mo, or area sa bahay mo na kung saan makakapagtrabaho ka ng maayos. Or even sa office, no? Yung iba sa inyo, mabibigyan na kayo ng workstation or a place where you can work better. And then, mas marami ka ngayong goals bago matapos ang 2024 second half ng December. Kumbaga, yung iba sa inyo, nire-reassess nyo kung ano yung mga bagay na-accomplish nyo ngayong taon at yung mga bagay na gusto nyo pang i-accomplish sa mga susunod na taon, especially ngayong 2025. And yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga long-term goals na-accomplish na. So, sa love life, you have codependency and chemistry. Some of you, you are dealing with someone, no? Romantically, na nagugustuhan mo siya, but for some reasons, this person might not be good for you, no? So, pwedeng this person ay meron siyang unhealthy habits or hindi siya magandang impluwensya sa'yo, kahit na nagugustuhan mo siya. So, you have to use your discernment if itong tao na to will bring value into your life. Kahit anong connection to, this can be a romantic connection or friendship. Okay? So, pay attention sa mga ganyan. Broken ring, parting of the ways, either romance or business. So, ayan, you may be cutting off connections with people na nakasama mo, naging parte ng buhay mo, but you feel like it's time to let them go. Wind chimes, peace and harmony. This will also bring you peace, no? Kaayusan ng iyong pag-iisip, like clarity sa isip mo. You also have grasshopper, situations in balance that require careful handling. Yes, I feel like mas inaayos mo or mas aayusin mo yung direksyon ng buhay mo second half ng December. Dahil alam mo na kung sino, yung mga bagay na dapat mong i-let go at i-embrace na yung change, yung transformation para ready ka na for 2025. Justice is coming. Yes, you will get what you deserve. Kung ano yung pinaghirapan mo, ineffortan mo, pinagpaguran mo, or yung mga bagay na dinideserve mo, you will get it. And of course, yung mga tao rin na merong nagawang pagkakamali sa'yo or someone na merong nagawang kasalanan sa'yo, definitely they will also get the justice that they deserve. So, kung ano man yun, for some, sinasabi nila, this is karma, no? So, they will get the karma that they deserve. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.